How to fix Instagram direct messages not loading in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you two ways or three ways to fix this problem. The first way is open the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks option, and then go to the airplane mode and enable it from here, and then disable it after a few seconds. That's the first way. The second way is go to the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, go to the apps. Now here you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Scroll until you find Instagram. When you find it, then you will have to do only one thing. Click on it, click here on this force stop option. When you click on it, go to the permissions and make sure that all the permissions are enabled. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.